Hello, I'm with Madhu Lunawat, and she is the founder, MD, and CEO of the Wealth Company, which, as you know, has just received the SEBI approval for a mutual fund. The Wealth Company will soon roll out its products, and I'm with Madhu today, and I'm asking Madhu as part of this two-part interview on her plans. But before that, I'll ask her about simple things. Who is a good investor? What makes a good investor? And what can be a good investor's financial habits? Madhu, if I can toss that question to you.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. I always get reminded of the tortoise and hare story. The hare has spring, has action, but what he lacks is consistency. So a good investor first has to be consistent.
Sure.
Despite where the market goes, that's the trend the market has for so many years of, is the journey of the Sensex, firstly. Secondly, a good investor also follows a pattern. Goal investing, you always believe in goal investing होना चाहिए. And goal investing के साथ साथ you have to be consistent with your investments also.
Okay.
Number two. Number three, the way we take care, listen to our doctors for our health advice, we must listen to our mutual fund distributors when it comes to investment advice and such other things.
Right, perfect. So, three very critical things. Insofar as taking advice is concerned, who do you think would be a good advisor?
So typically, as I have started following advice, I had my own share of mistakes where I was thinking that I'm the best in investing and lost a lot of money there. And then I started taking advice. So I like people who have spent considerable amount of time in the market because they would have seen a variety of individuals and their needs and requirements. They are able to basically allocate the asset allocation I must have, the kind of goal planning I must have, what the amount of SIP I should do, and invest in other asset classes.
Right. Insofar as asset classes is concerned, we have a variety of products, we have a variety of product providers, and the market is going from strength to strength. How does the retail investor, the ordinary guy, exercise choice?
So ordinary retail investor, I would say you have already invested a lot in gold. You have real estate that pushte nahi hai hamara, Number two. Number three, mutual fund is something you should start with. That will give you a flavor of equity markets. Once your corpus reaches a point, that's where you must invest in new products like SIF is there, PMS is there, and then definitely AIFs.
Right. I think, Madhu, that sort of wraps up very important topics in a very short span of time.
Thank you so
You've
much.
covered a range of topics, and we thank you for it.
Thank you.
I think our people, the people who are watching and the people we are aiming this for, they would really benefit from this dialogue.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.